I got 4 job offers only with my LinkedIn. It was 100% transformative. There's no coach who can put this much of effort on my own career. Thank you so much.
Erin first reached out right before her college graduation with a dream of building her career in the global startup scene. Over the next 4 months, despite never job searching before, she earned 4 global job offers. An internship at a US startup consulting firm, which led to a full time offer there, plus jobs at 2 more fast growing tech startups. She has learned and accomplished more in the first couple months of her career than most people do in years. And it was an awesome experience supporting her success. Erin, thank you so
Hi,
much
Brad.
for taking the time to do this call. Really
No
excited
problem.
that you're sharing more about your experience.
Yeah, I'm 100% sure about your program, so I'm really happy to be here. Mhm.
Great, great. Let's go back to the beginning. What first motivated you to reach out to me?
Back at the moment that I contact you, I was really struggling. I wanted to go over to US, but it felt like there was no way. I
Mhm.
didn't have visa for working in US, and I thought my English skill is only up to communicating, not as a business level. And I also had no clue how to connect all my stories. So yeah, I was having a hard time with those things.
Mhm.
And Grant had the best testimonials. Like I saw through 20 of the testimonials from Grant's LinkedIn, and I was relieved that how people can be satisfied. And I just made up my mind. If people are getting so much pleased by Grant's program, I definitely have to join his program, not others, because everyone was mentioning that it's 100% different from only um, English tutoring 학원s or programs. That's one of the reason, like the main reason that I trusted Grant and started it right away.
Awesome, awesome. So we met a couple months ago. We went through the program. You decided to join it. And what was that experience like?
It was 100% transformative. Like you customize all my experience and you made a different approach, and that made all the difference. Like you didn't just help me improve my resume. It wasn't like you speaking the resume and I write down.
Mhm.
Like we're making the synergy. Like you genuinely support me with all those kind of materials. When I was lacking of my business English, he shared the documents I could um, refer to. And whenever I was struggling on the job place, how to communicate with the US team members, like he gave me advice how to effectively effectively deliver my voice. And also like you identified my strengths and navigated to the culture nuance, which is really
Mhm.
helpful.
Mhm.
Like it's
Mhm.
so hard for me because I'm not native. So that helped
Mhm.
me work with the US scene. And like you're so dedicated and you're so passionate. I get so surprised every time because no one around me can do this, put this if this much of effort. Now, I have no doubt why your clients are so satisfied about your efforts and service. Like the environment that you're setting is totally differing me from past 4 months ago and right now. And I get encouraged and motivated every time when I meet at you at the session.
That's so awesome. Thank you, Aaron. I really appreciate that. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about some of the results of us working together. At the beginning, you were a fresh college graduate. You
Mhm.
had pretty diverse experiences. You
Yeah,
wanted
definitely.
to build a career in the global startup scene.
hmm
So where are you now?
I started to work as a analyst and community operation manager in a US accelerating company, and that
Mhm.
scene is really dynamic. Like it changes from day to day, and also it's between multicultural, so
Mm-hmm.
it's kind of hard to follow the whole changes going around. But since I met you and I know how to communicate and how to deal with the time difference and like the nuance, I'm getting confident more and more. And I actually got some full-time offer a few weeks ago, which is happy.
Mm-hmm.
And during these times, I get asked to join other startup teams at the same time. Like I got two offers from big startups who's growing really fast, and
Awesome.
they have yeah, they have some plans to expand to overseas, and I believe that I can help them on
Mm-hmm.
expanding from Korea to global, and which is I'm really enjoying. And also, like, I feel really fortunate because during this time I had no time to put much effort to the resume or CV compared to Grant's other um, mentees.
Mm-hmm.
But I got 4 job offers only with my LinkedIn. So yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
that's just like proving how the difference is. Mhm.
I think for building a career internationally, your LinkedIn is more important than a resume. If you
Yeah, of
if
course.
you get that right and if you know how to use it, you can create opportunities anywhere in the world. And that's
Yeah,
exactly what you've done.
yes, yes. And I really want to point out that you are really good at designing. Like when it comes to using Canva and making the standing out name tag and like the backgrounds, you
Hmm.
me like I had no clue how to pick a happy looking and confident looking and also like business style profile picture. But you gave
Hmm.
me advice how to find it out, and it's only secret for your clients, so I don't want to reveal it so much, but yeah.
But yeah, your profile looks awesome. And I'm not surprised that you've secured all these opportunities because from the moment I met you, I was like, wow, she has so much value to offer. If I was a startup CEO, I would absolutely want you on my team. So
Oh,
I am really happy that that the world is recognizing the value that you have.
thank you for saying so. And I would say, like, without you, I would never have made this kind of success. Like, that's why I'm so happy to be here. And I, I think I even mentioned on the LinkedIn compliment, like testimonials, like if anyone is worrying and making the decision through Grant's course, like if you want to join or not, you can just message me on LinkedIn. Like I'll tell whole different stories what he made for me, and yeah, I'm even more happy to do more than that.
Well, that's really nice of you, Erin. Thank you so much. So yeah,
Sure, sure.
why don't we end with that last point? So for the people watching this who maybe they want to go abroad, they want to build a global career, but they think, I'll just do it myself.
Hmm.
What advice? What do you think they should do?
Your time is precious, and
Hmm.
if you made up your mind, why would you waste your time only wandering around by yourself? Like, I'm saying that you can, of course, I believe that the people who want to expand their career and move globally, they have the ability to move outside and they'll eventually make it through because I believe that Koreans have passionate
Oh
working
yeah.
styles and
Oh yeah.
attitudes. And yeah, but sometimes it's better to save your time, save your energy, and save your passion to the right way and follow the path that someone can lead you in a best way. Like you can make 100% or maybe like 200, 300% in the same time. And like I don't, as when I reflect to my back experience, I think I was wandering around so much around various career scenes, and I had no clue how to deal with those things, even though I had a lot of experience. When I first contacted Grant, I remember that I mentioned time is gold. I need my time to be conserved, and I want to concentrate more on expanding my abilities and growing in a short term, making the actual impacts on the scene. So yeah, I think that will be applied to the similar cases who's making up the decision.
Awesome. Love hearing that and loved getting to work with you, Erin. You are an amazing client. And like I said before we started this recording, you did all of this in 4 months. I can't wait to see where you are in 4 years. Because I
Yeah,
think you're gonna build such an amazing career abroad. And I hope when you're some high level leader of a CEO, I hope you still remember me. Because
sure. Like,
okay,
how can I forget you? That never happens. Like, I'm gonna be in touch with you, like, all in through all my career path, and I'll keep you updated for
awesome.
sure,
I want to hear about it for
for
sure.
every steps. Thank you so
Totally.
much for your time for the past 4 months, and I really appreciate what you've shown to me, and I can doubt that there's no coach who can put this much of effort on my own career. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for being an amazing person to work with.
Yeah, we made the synergy.
We did. We did. We
Yeah.
are a great team.
Mhm.
Awesome. Well, we can wrap it up here, but thank you again for your time and
Yeah.
massive congrats on everything you've accomplished, Erin. You should be really, really proud.
Thank you for saying so. Yeah.
You don't need to wait until you have years and years of experience before trying to build your career abroad. If your English is good enough to understand this video right now, you work hard, and you follow a winning job search strategy, you are capable of getting a life-changing job anywhere in the world. Check out the link below to learn how we can make that happen together.